What's up, party people? Today we're checking out the Tactical Geek A5 EDC storage pouch set. This is a super versatile trio of pouches made to organize all your tech essentials or everyday carry gear in a clean modular system that works with just about any setup. The A5 storage set includes 3 separate pouches, all in slightly different sizes. They're made from tough 500D nylon, so you're getting excellent tear and water resistance. These are built to take a beating without showing it. Each pouch has a high-quality waterproof zipper that glides open smoothly, and the interior storage is surprisingly flexible, perfect for cables, chargers, dongles, or small tools. One of the standout features is the hook and loop backing. These pouches will stick into any backpack or panel with Velcro, so you can keep things locked in exactly where you want them. There's also a U-shaped nylon webbing loop on the side which lets you attach them to a belt, hang them with a keychain, or just carry them standalone. I loaded mine out with a mix of tech essentials for mobile work. In the small pouch, I've got a USB-A to SD and micro SD adapter hub, a USB-A to USB-C adapter itself, a USB-C to micro USB adapter, and then a little micro SD card. These items allow me to interface with a lot of different USB types and also have some backup storage. The medium pouch holds my USB-C to AC adapter for charging devices, as well as some Velcro cable ties for cord management. And the large pouch fits my USB-C hub, giving me extended usability from ports in my laptop here so I can fit more USB-C devices. My magnetic to USB-C charger for my Apple Watch, which allows me to charge my watch while I'm on the go and top it up a little. And a decently long USB-C to USB-C cable. With all this gear, I can charge all my devices and interface with older tech that uses micro USB or USB-A as well, and it allows me the flexibility to charge what I need to when I need to. If you're into modular organization, carry tech on the go, or just want to keep your gear tight and tidy, the Tactical Geek A5 storage set is an absolute win, especially at under $25. It's sleek, functional, and fits seamlessly into almost any loadout. Links in description if you want to check it out, and let me know how you'd pack yours in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.